Ever wonder if there's a simple yet powerful formula to help you save without sacrificing too much of what you enjoy? The 50-30-20 rule might be just what you need. This budgeting method, popularized by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren, offers a clear and balanced approach to managing your income. By dividing your earnings into three straightforward categories, needs, wants, and savings, you can meet your financial goals without feeling deprived. In this video, we'll break down how to use the 50-30-20 rule to take control of your finances. Welcome to No Money, where we make financial freedom accessible to everyone. Number 1. 50% needs. Needs are the expenses that are essential for your survival and day-to-day living. These are non-negotiable costs that you must cover to maintain a basic standard of living. Examples include rent or mortgage payments. A roof over your head is the most critical need. Groceries. Food is a basic necessity, but try to stick to a budget-friendly shopping list. Utilities. Electricity, water, and gas are essential for a comfortable life. Insurance and health care. Protect yourself and your loved ones by ensuring you're covered. Minimum debt payments. Paying off debts is crucial to avoid penalties and keep your credit score healthy. Transportation. Whether it's fuel, public transport, or car payments, getting to work and other essential places is a must. If you find that more than 50% of your income is going toward needs, it might be time to reassess your lifestyle. Could you downsize to a smaller home or a less expensive car? Perhaps you can save on groceries by cooking at home more often or carpooling to reduce transportation costs. Number 2, 30% wants. Wants are the things that make life enjoyable but aren't essential for survival. This category is where you have the most flexibility, and it's easy to overspend if you're not careful. Examples of wants include dining out, treating yourself to a meal at a restaurant, entertainment, movies, concerts, sports events, and subscriptions to streaming services. Fashion, clothing and accessories that go beyond the basics. Vacations, travel and leisure activities that aren't necessary but are enjoyable. Luxury items, upgrading your gadgets, buying a fancy car, or indulging in high-end products. While it's important to enjoy your money, keeping your spending on wants to 30% of your income helps you avoid financial strain. If you find yourself going over this limit, consider scaling back on some non-essential purchases. For instance, instead of dining out frequently, you might host a potluck with friends, or if you're a movie buff, opt for streaming services instead of going to the cinema. Number 3, 20% savings. The final 20% of your income should go towards savings and investments. This portion is all about securing your financial future and preparing for unexpected events. Examples of savings goals include emergency fund.
Let's talk about emergency funds. An emergency fund is an accessible savings pot which is set aside specifically for use in emergencies. So why do I need one? Well, your emergency fund isn't for that last-minute getaway or to cover a fancy dinner at the newest restaurant. It's there if a pipe bursts in your home or if your car breaks down. It's intended to cover your living costs in the event, of course, of an emergency.
Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unforeseen circumstances like job loss or medical emergencies. Retirement savings. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA to ensure a comfortable future. Debt repayment. Paying more than the minimum on loans and credit cards helps you reduce interest and get out of debt faster. Investments. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate to grow your wealth over time. Having a solid savings plan is crucial because it gives you peace of mind and financial security. Automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts can make it easier to stay on track. Why is saving so important?
Saving money won't make you rich. How important is it? Important is, man, life is full of ups and downs, man. Your life, your business, your financial life, it won't be uninterrupted success. The road to success is not linear, it's staggered. It's seasons, baby. And it's going to be winners. And if you have money, if you have resources, then you can survive the winter. If you don't, then you die in the snow, man.
Saving is often easier said than done, especially with the rising costs of living and the temptation to spend. However, building a strong savings habit is essential for long-term financial stability. Unfortunately, many Americans struggle with saving. In fact, The average personal savings rate in the U.S. was just 3.4% as of June 2024. This low savings rate highlights the importance of budgeting and sticking to the 50-30-20 rule to ensure that you're setting aside enough for your future. The benefits of the 50-30-20 rule.
The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to manage your money. First up, 50% of your income goes to needs. Think rent, utilities, groceries, things you can't live without. Next, 30% goes to wants. That's your fun money. Dining out, Netflix, hobbies, stuff you enjoy. Finally, 20% is for savings and debt repayment. Emergency fund, retirement, paying down debt, future-proofing your life. Why is this rule awesome? It keeps your spending in check while still letting you enjoy life.
Using the 50-30-20 rule offers several advantages that can help you achieve financial freedom. Ease of use. This rule is incredibly easy to follow. It breaks down your income into 3 simple categories: needs, wants, and savings. There's no need for complicated calculations or advanced financial knowledge. This straightforward approach makes budgeting accessible for anyone, helping you manage money with minimal effort. Balanced money management. By allocating your income to needs, wants, and savings, you can enjoy your money now while also preparing for the future. Focus on essentials. Prioritizes your essential expenses, ensuring that your basic needs are met without stretching your budget. By dedicating 50% of your income to necessities like housing, utilities, and groceries, this method helps you avoid financial stress and ensures you can cover your vital living costs. Savings emphasis. Setting aside 20% of your income for savings helps you build a financial cushion and work towards long-term goals. Long-term security. Consistently saving and investing can help you accumulate wealth over time, providing financial security for you and your family. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule. Now that you understand the 50-30-20 rule, let's talk about how to put it into action. Track your expenses. Start by monitoring your spending for a month to see where your money is going. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Understand your income. Make sure you know your net income, what you actually take home after taxes. This is the amount you'll base your budget on. Identify your critical costs. List out your essential expenses and ensure they don't exceed 50% of your income. If they do, look for ways to cut back. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts so you don't have to think about it each month. Maintain consistency. Stick to your budget and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget, but the key is to stay consistent over time. Real-world example. To give you a real-world example, let's look at how someone might apply the 50-30-20 rule. Bo is a recent college graduate who has just started their first job. They earn $3,500 a month after taxes and want to set up a budget that will help them save for the future while enjoying their life now. Needs? 50%. Bo allocates $1,750 for rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Wants? 30%. Bo sets aside $1,050 for dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Savings, 20%. Bo automatically transfers $700 into a savings account for an emergency fund and retirement. After 6 months, Bo gets a promotion and their income increases. They reassess their budget, adjust their allocations, and continue to stick to the 50-30-20 rule, ensuring they are meeting their needs, enjoying their wants, and securing their future. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful tool for managing your money. By dividing your income into needs, wants, and savings, you can achieve a balanced and secure financial life. Remember, the key to success with the 50-30-20 rule is consistency and discipline. It might take some time to adjust, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find that it makes budgeting much simpler and more effective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Know Money for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.